Hey YouTube, it's L. I'm back at it again. Look, got another kit. This time, this is a dip systems kit. This kit requires no monomer. I like that. I love acrylics, but I don't love the smell of that monomer. So, let's check out the double dip mystery box surprise for August. I know it. Okay, I know it's the end of August, but August ain't over. So let's look at this kid. Okay, stay tuned. All right. Okay, so YouTube, there it is. There is that August review of the Double Dip surprise box. Let me know what you think about that in the comments below. I haven't had much experience with the using the foil transfers, so some of mine was a little splotchy, but I just think that was user error. I don't think that was the product. But overall, the product was wonderful. I enjoyed using it. The acrylics are good. They're nice, and you can sift, as you can see, some of it I sifted, and I just wanted not all the big glitters in it. I just wanted some of the fine glitters for that cluster that I was trying to make. That's my thing. I really love clusters, and so I like to get a little more practice with that. But as you can see, that kit was awesome with the rhinestones. Those rhinestones are perfect for clusters, let me tell you. And then it has the pearls with it. So I really did enjoy this month's kit. This is a good kit. This kit retails for $26.99 in the United States, and hey, it's a bargain. You get some nice acrylics in it, and you get some stickers and some foils. But each month it varies, and you get different things. But you always get some quality dip. So that's what you want to know about the double dip systems. And don't forget, you get some lovely stickers, and we all appreciate those stickers, right? And so get on back with me next time. Look out for another one, and set that notification bell so you know when I'm doing it again. And then go ahead and tell your friends about it. Share the video if you like it. If you dug it, give me a thumbs up. But come on back and check me out on the next one, because it's going to be a next one, because I like the kids, But hey, you stay blessed, and remember, today is the day the Lord has made, so rejoice and be glad in it. And once again, thank you for watching me while I review the double dip kit for August. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful, wonderful, blessed day. Bye-bye.